Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a car clean out and also a little bit of organization, but not really much. This is more of just a car clean out. I'm just showing you how terrible my car is. So for anybody that's new here, I live in New England and the winters are just like brutal. And my car, and I'm sure pretty much everybody's car that lives in New England or lives anywhere that you get all 4 seasons or just like a harsh winter, my car is just a hot mess, and I just tend to not clean it in the winter at all because it's cold and I don't want to go outside. So my car goes to hell very quickly in the wintertime. As you can see by what you're looking at. So this is what this video is just me cleaning this out. I had to clean out Evelyn's car seat and actually turn her around because she was still rear facing. So that was frightening. If there's any parents out there, you know what like under a car seat looks like. It's frightening. So that's what today's video is. I hope I encourage you and motivate you to get out there and clean your own car if it needs it. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up if you like it, so I know that you like it. And please consider subscribing if you haven't already. I would love to have you part of my little YouTube family. I'm going to let some music play and I will pop back at the end of this video.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, cause I know then you'll see you can be true, you can be true. I want you to see what I see in us, something so real, something so real. I want you to see that this is a love that we both feel, that we both feel. And how will we ever know if the love will ever grow without trying, without trying? And how will we ever see if we are meant to be? It's terrifying, it's terrifying. Still think of you and me. Don't wanna leave the world you see, and I will hold you down if love is still alive. It's all forgiven to my eyes. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven to my eyes. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Center of your touch, I can never feel so much. Don't wanna leave us in between. 'Cause when you lock me in, I'm in for life. Don't care, it's a cruel paradise. Say you'll be mine. The tide has turned around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. You and your wicked ways. Turn around. Just listen to the sound. Two hearts beating, beating time. Hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah, hey yeah. It's all forgiven. You and your wicked ways.
Okay, guys, so we are wrapping up this video right now, and I just wanted to pop on here and tell you what I keep in my car. In my trunk, I keep a stroller because you just never know. My car actually does come with like a first aid, like emergency kit, which is what you're looking at right there. That just came with the car, like when I got it from the dealer. So I think that's nice. And I also keep a towel and a blanket in my trunk because those are just really good things to have. In the back seat, the only thing really that I'm keeping is like a little snow brush because I'll keep that in my car because I'll forget it if I don't. I turned Evelyn's seat around. I cleaned everything. The car is looking fabulous. And then in the door of my car, I keep some what I like to call emergency toys. You just never know. You just never know when you're going to need an emergency toy. And I don't know, if we're flying out of the house quick and I forget something, it's just a little extra to have Evelyn something to play with. And then I also always keep actually a couple pairs of like her sunglasses just because you never know. So So the front of my car is looking extra good. I am absolutely loving how clean it is, guys. It is so, so nice. Like you feel like you have a brand new car. It's amazing. So in my center console, I keep my like emergency like mom on the go kit. I have a whole video on it and I'm going to link it at the end of this video. You can check it out if you want. It's just pretty much like always to be prepared for something that you just never know it would happen. And then I just kind of keep some random stuff in there, like a hair clip and like my phone charger, like extras. You just never know. But in my emergency kit, I actually need to refill this and I need to like refresh it. But it's just kind of random stuff that you always might need, like some deodorant, a nail file. So I'm going to link the video at the end of this one. You can definitely check it out if you're interested. But that is essentially all I keep in my car. It does change day to day, and I really do need to put like some snacks or like some bottled water in there because, again, if it's an emergency, you just never know. But that wraps up this video, guys, and I have to say I have been loving my car all clean. It is truly like a brand new car. So I hope this inspires you and I hope it motivates you, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, guys!